I've been using LS-DYNA itself for about 15 years and Oasys LS-DYNA environment for roughly half of that time. Every finite element software is different, so they all do the same thing, they solve the same problems, but they do it differently. So if you use different softwares, they might not be aligned to the way LS-DYNA does the pre-processing and post-processing, whereas Oasys is fully aligned with LS-DYNA. So that is a massive bonus to use Oasys LS-DYNA environment. The way LS-DYNA is being set up, the material cards, the parameter cards, and if you use another software, it might not specify it in that way, or it might have a much convoluted way to reach the same position. Whereas when you use the Oasys suite products like Primer to set up the model, it speaks the same language as you do. So you know what each parameter means, what each word means, so it's very natural to use. So it helps a lot to set up the model, and that goes the same for post-processing and post-analysis. Yeah, it might be a bit old-fashioned, but I always loved THIS. Yeah, it was because when you're in academia, you're always looking for patterns, and you have to. And the best way to describe that is graphs, and so you're always plotting graphs. So what is the strain at this particular point, or what, and you want to see the trend of that to a certain excitation and all. And using THIS makes it so much easier. So it's a lot easier to extract the graphs and to manipulate the graphs afterwards. Like you can do any operations you want on them, and there's loads of things there, like filters. You can find any filter you want, and then you can combine all those graphs as well. So it makes I love it. I have to say that when I was in industry, and I remember at a certain point I was the only analyst in a group of design office, and what the designers were always asking for is like, can we go through the results? But they didn't want to ask me all the time. So when I showed them Viewer, they were like very impressed. Yeah, yeah, they were very impressed because I could say, and because there was offices in India as well and in China, so you could send that away, and they could look at every result there is, and come back with questions later at their convenience. I think it's that integration between the solver LS-DYNA and the pre-processing and post-analysis done by Oasys environment. So yes, it makes it so natural to work with, that for someone who's been using DYNA for a number of years, that it makes it like, yeah, the Oasys environment is probably the best co-pilot that you could have for LS-DYNA. The support is great. Every time I have a problem, I leave a message, and the same day I got an answer, so it's fantastic. The support from Oasys team is great.